Hi Advik.
Hi, Miss Priya.
I don't think anybody is going to make it for class today. Since the exams are over, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Nobody's coming. That's interesting. See, last year I moved all the classes to before the exam.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this year I felt there was no need for it. We can just continue with calculus because I didn't have time last year. We were covering something else and I had to move as well to finish everything. But this year, I didn't feel like it. Do you want to wait for another 2, 3 minutes?
Sure, yeah, that's
We'll
fine.
see. Otherwise, we'll go ahead. Dhwani is in here. Hey Dhwani,
Namaste.
how are you, Dhwani?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, ma. Are you tired already?
Yeah, I mean, it's almost ended the school week. And then my math semester exam today.
When
Yeah.
is it getting over?
This Friday, our school day ends at like 11.
Do you have exams tomorrow?
I do have exams. I just have one exam tomorrow, and
Okay.
then I'm exempt from the other ones.
Oh, you're exempt from the other ones. That's
Yeah.
nice. Okay. Okay, that's nice to know. Okay. See, I'm going to continue. What did you decide, ma? BC or AB?
AB, because I don't think I can change to BC.
Yeah, I'm going to continue. See, on and I know some of you are taking BC, but I'm thinking of taking up AB for the next year. Meaning, I cannot open too many classes, but I thought I'll do AB. How about you, Advik? You're going to do AB and BC, right?
Yeah.
That's going to tear me apart. I feel like I want to do AB full year. Let's
Okay.
discuss. I'll talk to your mom as well. But I really see. I honestly don't. Meaning, I want to open up one class. Any one class is okay for me. But at the same time, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Okay. Still, I'm debating. But I'll send out the calendar soon. I really am inclined to AB fully.
Okay.
Why? Because it's less pressure. Let's see. But you're going to do AB for the first 6 months, is it?
Yeah. First semester AB, second semester is BC.
Okay, let's see. Let me think about it, okay? Amma, you have finalized Advani.
Yeah, they made us finalize our schedules in March
I see. I see. And are you going to opt in for classes?
for next year.
Uh,
Probably, yeah.
um, okay. Full year it's going to be AB, right?
Yeah. A, B, and B, C
Yeah,
are two
yeah.
separate
See,
things
the
in
thing
ours.
is, what I see with the curriculum is AB is more relaxed. Relaxed in the sense, yeah, it is nice and clean, slow paced, which is nice, and you can relax. You'll get a five easily. It's like that. Looks like.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to just get going. I don't want to waste the class. So let's get going with whatever we were. We were discussing limits last week, right? So I'll review that a little bit, limits graphically. Then I'll go to limits, analytical limits. Then we'll go to asymptotes. And then we'll discuss some test calculus exam-based problems as well. That's the plan. Okay. What did I want to do? Okay, so yeah, let me get started with this. Let me discuss last week's first. So yeah, this is what we were discussing. You know what? Okay, I don't know. Last week you attended the class, right? Both of you?
Yeah.
We did discuss that, right? Okay. Okay, that's good. How about this? Let's go ahead and try these. There's a graph in here. Looking at the graph, we are going to determine the limits, okay? Let me, oh, share screen is already sharing, okay? This we did discuss. I don't know if you remember. Let's see. Some of you didn't get it correctly though, this one last week. So let's see. How about this?
Do we do all the letters?
Let's try, ma.
Mm.
Were you there last week when we did this, Dhwani?
I left like half an hour early because I had my AP
Okay, okay. If
exam
you don't
next
know,
week.
it's okay. We'll just
Okay.
go over it.
Yeah.
So if you want help, immediately say, ma. You're just two of you, so it's nice, and we can keep moving to whatever we can. If I finish this, then we'll leave also early, but I don't think I'll be able to because, yeah, I did have a plan of doing all the three topics. So let's see. Two minuses. Oh, minus two minus, I'm sorry. Minus two minus is what it's going into. Do you have the answers? You want to tell it out? I'm also fine with that. Or you want me to wait? I'm fine with that. No pressure, guys.
Wait, would two negative like be that on
Oh,
one?
okay, okay. You were not there. Okay, left limit, right limit, meaning, okay, okay, okay. Dhwani, I'll go back. I'll go back a little bit. Hold on. Okay, I'll explain as well, Dhwani. Okay, this one, let me discuss this first. Okay, this is what we quickly discussed last week, but let's discuss this once more quickly. I'm not going to take much of your time because of this. Let's see. Okay, so here when you look at the figures, right? Here, f of minus 3 is what? You can clearly say it is a 4, correct? But x tending to minus 3 means when you look at it, right, x can tend to minus 3 here, and here. Do you see it? It can tend to minus 3 from two sides, right? But at minus 3, what is f of x? I can clearly say x tending to minus 3. See, both when x is tending to minus 3 from the left side or the right side, both of it is pointing to the value of 4, so we can call it as 4. Here, f of minus 3 is a whole. It's not defined, does not exist, right? But when it tends to minus 3, right? When it tends to minus 3, it is not minus 3. When it is trying to go to minus 3, on both sides, it's going to the value of 4. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. So both the sides you need to compare. That's all. Here, f of minus 3 is what? F of minus 3. Do you see f of minus 3? You see? F of
Yeah.
minus 3 is a 1. But when it tends to minus 3, both the sides you check. Is it going to the same value?
No,
Yes. So
it's
it's
going undefined, right?
uh, no, right? See, limit. No, right? It's tending to minus 3 from from both sides, right? So it is trying to go to where?
Because like there's another point at -3, which is like it's a whole.
It's a whole, but then on both the sides of it,
They go to
hmm,
4.
yeah, they go to 4, right?
Yeah.
One second, guys. I'm trying to bring up. Wait, one second. What did I do? Give me a minute, okay? I don't want this. One second, guys. I lost track of. Limit. I lost track. One second, guys. I lost track of where I was teaching from. Hold on. Hmm, where is it? Does this have? No. Okay, one second. I have it here. Documents, desktop. Okay, let's go ahead with this. Which one are we discussing now? Yeah, we are discussing the first one, right? Yep. Let's go ahead. Sorry, guys. I just lost track of the document where I was in completely. Okay. So when you think about it, right, here, when extending to minus 3, right, both the sides you check, ma. Both the sides are going to 4, right, ma. Don't worry about what is at minus 3. But consider when it is tending to minus 3, it can tend from the left side or the right side. So from the left side, if it is, let's say, minus 3.00001, or if it is minus 2.99999, both are almost equal to 4, right? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. However, let's see here. Here what happens? F of minus 3. At minus 3, what happens? It's equal to 1. But let's see here. This is a little tricky. It can tend to minus 3 on the left side and the right side, correct? From the left side, it is going to a 4. From the right side, it's going to a 1. See, the left and the right are going to two different values, right? So this
Yeah.
does not exist. Does it make sense?
Yeah. So
Okay.
like, okay, yeah, I got it.
Yeah, we'll do more. We'll do more. Now,
Okay.
how about f of minus 3? F of minus 3, there is a value at 2. Directly they're asking, it's not limit. Whereas limit, when they ask, right, you have to consider at they're asking for minus 3 limit. So let me look at left and the right. Left, when it moves to minus 3, it's going to a value of 4. Right, it is tending, right limit is tending to a value of 1. Both the values are different. So this does not exist. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Can I move on? Advik, are you
Yeah.
good?
Yeah.
Yep. This is a little a little tad bit harder topic, I would say. So how about this? You're going to tell me for this one.
For A.
No, I'll paste the
Oh.
graph for you. Example graph I'll paste. You can tell me, okay? Oh, before we go there, right? Let's see this one. Okay, this one, I just want you to tell me for three. Okay, now we are going to discuss the concept of one-sided limit. One-sided limit means the left limit and the right limit. Okay, the y value of a function, you have to tell me the y value the function approaches. Okay, as you approach the x value from either left or right, that is the one-sided limit. Okay, so
Okay.
let's call this. Let's see this values. Yes. Yeah. They told me. Yeah, I understood. Okay, how about this? See, okay, here this is different, ma. Limit x tending to 3 minus, limit x tending to 3 plus, limit x tending to 3. The way it works is, when it goes to 3 minus, right, limit extending to 3 minus means this is called the left limit. Okay, this is called the right limit of 3. Then this one, right, this will be defined only when these two are the same values. If they are not the same, this becomes does not exist. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's do this. So 3 minus, right? 3 minus. This one I need to, 3 minus and 3 plus is what I need to consider. But first
Mm-hmm.
let me see, 3 plus is tending to a 2. 3 minus is tending to a minus
Negative
1.
one.
So this is a negative 1. This is a 2. If they ask you limit x tending to 3, f of x does not exist. Why? Because these two values are not the same. Make sense?
Yeah.
However, there's no limit. If they ask you f of 3, what is it?
2.
Yep. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Based on this knowledge, now you should be able to do this. This is limits graphically. This was for, let's remove whatever is not required here. Yeah. Shall we try this? It's going to be confusing. It's okay if you get it wrong. You can put ABCDF in chat so I can check it easy. But if you want me to do, please let me know. I'll do. We have a lot of problems to do.
Can you like shout it out?
Yeah, shout it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, anything works. Just the two of you. So why don't you A, B, C, D, E, F? Okay, A. Go ahead and tell
So
me A.
would it be 1?
Yep. B, Advik, you want to say? Even if it's wrong, it doesn't matter. Both of you are very good, so no problem. Go ahead.
-2.
Yep. C, ma.
1.
Did you check, lady? Because see, there you need to check the left limit and right limit, right? Both
So
are
like
not
it
equal,
doesn't
right?
exist.
Yeah, does not exist because
It does
1 and
not
minus
exist.
2. He said minus 2, you said 1, right?
Yeah.
Yep. That's tricky always, okay? Because when limit is tending to one particular point, please consider the right limit, left limit. Only if they are equal, you have to say that exists.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, Advik, go ahead with the D.
So for D, do I need to check the left and right limit to
Hmm.
see
Hmm.
if they
Hmm.
both are the
Hmm.
same?
Hmm. Hmm.
Um,
Same. So, what is the answer?
so -2.
Uh, we are doing
Uh,
D, right?
Oh, is it 1?
1.
Okay.
E, go ahead, ma.
um, -2.
Correct. F, it's absolutely okay if you go wrong. Don't worry about it. We are just
Um,
learning.
5.
Yes. G,
Um, -3.
correct. H,
0.
yep. I,
Uh, there's not. Uh, is it 1?
1 is correct. J, there is no limit. Do you see?
Yeah,
So it is?
-2.
Yep, -2. Okay. So, okay. There are only three cases where we say the limit does not exist. Okay, let's talk about those three cases where we say the limit does not exist. One is left limit not equal to the right limit. This we already discussed. Second, when it is an asymptote. Okay. Third one, if it's oscillatory. What are these cases? As we move on, we'll definitely look at these cases. Okay, oscillate for sine and cos, right? It always oscillates between 1 and -1, right? So those cases, limits might not does not exist becomes common because of the oscillatory behavior. Okay, when there is an asymptote, right? It goes to minus, one goes to minus infinity, the other starts from plus infinity. So they're not equal. So as a result, we'll say limit does not exist there as well. When we move on, you'll find examples of these, but do remember that limit does not exist in three different cases, and these are the possible three cases where you will say it does not exist. Let's see. Huh. This is a good one, but I don't know whether you're ready for it. Let's see. Each of your answer might differ actually, meaning I'm going to ask you to draw a function, okay, which satisfies the following conditions which I'm going to give, okay. Let's say h of x is equal to h of, let me put it out. Such that this is a tricky, a nice one, okay. This way you learn nicely, okay. One second, ma. Let me know if my screen becomes smaller. I don't know. One second. Looks like it's not sharing it fully. Are you still able to see the board? Huh?
Yeah,
Did the size reduce or increase?
it increased a little
It
bit.
increased, yeah.
Oh, it increased a little bit. Oh, interesting. That's good. Yeah, that's what I wanted to. Okay, now let's see this one. G of 3 is a -1. Then g of x equal to a 4 limit x tending to 3. Then what other questions I can give you? B, C, let me put it as I was trying to do h of 3. H of x is equal to 4. What else? Limit x, limit x tending to 2 plus h of x can be 1. Okay, d, g is increasing on minus 2 less than x is less than 3 e limit x tending to 2 minus h of x. What makes me read g. Okay, okay. So this is actually greater than limit x tending to 2 plus h of x. Can we try this? I will do it if you find it difficult. Otherwise, you can do. I will draw, in the meantime, I'll draw the coordinate graph. Try, show me the graph, and we can get going. If you're stuck as well, you can ask me questions. Only the meaning, take advantage of the class, guys. Learn limits graphically, learn limits analytically, asymptotes as well. If we learn, we'll be far ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay. Try one by one. H of 3 is a minus 1. So h of 3 is a minus 1. I want a different color. H of 3 is a minus 1. H of 3 is a minus 1. It's defined. So I'll have to do this. This is done. But h tending to 3, h of x is a 4. See, already I have a shaded dot here. So here I have to have a hole, but the tending values, meaning from this side and this side, it has to come there. I don't know about the rest. Do you want to continue or do you want me to do?
Can you do it?
Yeah, sure.
How do
Now,
you know it's a hole?
because you already see at 3 you already defined it as minus 1. If in
Oh,
case
okay.
you put a dot here, the vertical line test will fail. You got it?
Oh, okay, yeah, because it's a function.
Yeah, so I know, but when left and right limit, when they tend it to 3, it has to come to a 4. So I'm putting like this. You got it?
Yeah,
But I have no idea on the left and right where it is going to go yet.
yeah,
Let's see. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus means after this, right? H of x tends to 1. H of x tends to 1. That's crazy. H of x 2 plus. Okay, 2 plus. That's true. Oh, I should have given it as minus 2 plus. The question is minus 2 plus h of x tends to 1. Minus 2 plus h of x tends to 1. Now where it will go? Minus 2 plus h of x tends to 1. You see, so this, it is tending to minus 2 plus, right? So it can be a hole or it can be a dot. Does not matter. You see what I mean? We
yeah.
don't know. You see, it can be a dot or a hole. Does not matter here. But the point should be marked. Again, let's see. Let's see a little bit more. H is increasing on between minus 2 and 3. It says H is increasing from minus 2 to 3. So can I put the like this? Does that make sense? This can be a hole or a dot. That doesn't matter at all. Okay, this is good. We took care of this. We took care of this. The last one is what? Limit extending to 2 minus, oh, okay, the left side of this it's describing is greater than 2 plus. You see, this side it's greater. So what can I do about it? H of x is increasing on minus 2 to 3. Minus 2 is less than, okay. And then limit, oh, we had something for minus 2 plus we have, okay. Limit extending to minus 2, h of x, okay. Okay, 2 minus is greater. So what do I do there? What do you think I can do? For the 2 minus, right, it is saying it is at a higher level. I don't want all this description, please. So it's saying, it also got erased. I'm sorry, guys. Limit, eg- sorry, guys. Give a minute, guys. Undo, undo, undo. I'm just undoing whatever was in there. Okay. So we are good. Limit extending to 2 minus, this is also minus 2. Oh, you, I think I gave him, see this is also minus 2 minus. So on the left side of minus 2, h of x is greater. H of x is greater. Now, can I have it here? Something like this. I can put a dot. If I put a dot here, I cannot put a dot here. If I don't put a dot here, I can put a dot here. And then say h is in, this is greater than 2 plus. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? If I put a dot here, I don't put a dot here. If I put a dot here, then this is a hole. Make sense, guys?
Yeah, kind
Wh-
of.
Where does okay, where does it not making sense? Tell me.
Well, how'd you know that there's gonna be a hole or like a closed circle at 3?
This can be interchanged. Oh, at 3. This one you're asking? Yes, this is very clear. I'll tell you
No, no,
how.
no, the point at 3. I get that point, like the one that you drew above.
This
The one with
one you
the
got
arrow
it.
above.
This one you didn't
Yeah,
get it.
yeah, I
Okay.
didn't get that part.
Yeah, yeah. This one need not be. That's what I'm saying. Okay, I'll tell you. Here, only thing we are particular is this one, and then it can be anywhere. Okay.
It just needs to be greater than.
Yeah, this needs to be greater because it says the left limit, right? Minus 2, left limit of minus 2 is greater than the right limit of
Should that be minus 2 or
sorry, sorry. Yes,
equal?
this should be minus
Oh,
2.
okay.
Sorry,
So
guys.
okay,
Sorry,
that makes
sorry.
sense.
Yeah. Did you
And
get
then
it?
if
Hmm.
yeah, and then if one of them's a hole, the other one needs to be closed, right?
Correct. If you put
Okay.
this as a hole, this can be a dot. But
Okay.
vice versa also will hold good. If you put this as a hole, this as a dot, this can be a hole.
Okay. That makes sense.
It won't matter. But overall, the graph shape and whatever given here should be obeyed.
Okay.
Dhwani, you're with me?
Yeah.
We'll do, I'll see. We'll do more problems. Okay, this one completes the samples. Let me see. I want to do a little more. Okay, let's see. Oh, there are more. Wait, wait, wait. I have more. Okay, let's try this one. We'll draw functions, guys. Okay, I have more. Let me try this one. I cut pasted for you. I don't want to make mistakes like last time. How about this? We'll draw the graph for this one. Yeah, your answer might differ from what another student gives. Doesn't matter. But the only criteria for this is each of your answers should match all the 5 given. That's all. 5 or whatever constraints they give. Okay, I'm going to draw it, but if you want to try, you can try. Maybe this one I will do, next one you can do, I feel. If I make a mistake, you can pick on me. Okay, each of these conditions should be obeyed, that's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. That's it. Okay, let's see. Now, f of minus 2 is a 5. F of minus 2 is a 5. So, can I put a dot there? Okay. Limit extending to minus 2 seems a 1. Then that means from the left side and right side it's approaching a 1. From the left side and right side it's approaching a 1. Okay. Then 4 plus. 4 plus. Oh, right side limit is a 3. Right side limit is a 3. 4 plus right side limit is a 3. 4 plus right side limit is a 3. It can go up or down, doesn't matter. Okay. F is increasing on x less than minus 2. F is increasing on x less than minus 2. F is increasing. Oh wow, then that is incorrect. This one, right? The right side. I'm going to erase this off. That part is incorrect because they're saying f is increasing on x less than minus 2. Increasing means it's going up. Then limit the left 4 minus means left side of 4 less than right side of 4. Right side of 4 is here. Left side of 4 is a little lower. Left side of 4 is a little lower. Can I do it like the that is 1, right? Okay, let me go to the negative bit. Left side of 4, okay, is a little lower than the right side of 4. So from here I can connect here. Make sense? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So see, I can do it here as well. This is as well fine. You got it? As long as it obeys, it's enough. Does it make sense, Dhwani?
Yeah.
Yeah. But another thing that you need to be careful of is you cannot mark both as circles. Okay, because it's still a function. It's a definite function that's defined. Make sense? Okay, I'm going to remove this. Second is, that's better. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Any questions? Dhoni, did you understand me?
Yeah, mostly.
Yeah, let's
I
see.
can just practice.
Yeah, we'll do more. Okay. How about yeah, you want to try one or can I move on to
You can move on. I can just practice.
Yeah, I think I understand it.
you? Sorry, Advik, I didn't get you. What is that?
I think I understand it. You can move
You
on.
understand? Okay, I can move on.
Yeah.
Okay. How about this? You want to try this? I don't know if I have the solutions to this, but we can try. You want to try this one? Good, nice review. Third, let's see whether I have answers. Yes, I have. I have answers to this. Let's try.
Do we type it in chat?
Yes.
But Miss Red, could we do like the alternate speaking thing? Like writing.
Yeah. Speak out. Yes. Sorry, I forgot. Yes. Oh, okay. I can as well check that. Yeah. One second. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. If you want to speak out, absolutely fine. And take your time, each of you, when you say that.
But A is -2.
A is -2, correct. B,
2.
Is it undefined?
Yeah, it's undefined.
yeah, it is undefined. You see
Okay.
why it's
Yeah, that makes
undefined?
sense.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it takes time. Okay, this is so confusing. I think it's undefined, mother.
Okay.
Then C, limit extends to -1. Limit extends to negative. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. What is the answer?
For
Either of
C,
See, when it tends to -1, you have to consider both left and right limit. Only if they're equal, you can say that
it's
number.
2.
Otherwise, yep, correct. D,
Is this undefined?
I'm checking. Yes, it's undefined. E, f of 0, f of 0. Yeah, that's easy. E,
1,
yep.
1.
E is 1, correct. F, 3 plus
1.
3 plus is 1, correct. G, -1 plus, that is easy as well. G, Dhoni, you want to say?
G, 2.
Correct. H,
Undefined again.
yep. I, this is
2 again.
-1, left limit of -1.
2 again.
Yep, you got it. Oh, that's great. Okay. So now we are good with this, right? Okay, do you want to try this one? Just one. This is good, but let's see. Okay. Let me know if you want me to make it bigger as well, guys. You want me to make it bigger? Yeah.
Just a little bit, please.
Yeah. So small. What do I do? Not that. Okay, let's do this. Let's try this. I can draw it here. Let's try doing it ourselves. You want me to do? I can do as well. You want to do or you want me to do? Either of it works, guys. You can shout out whatever you want.
Can you like do it as we tell you the steps?
Yeah, sure. Sure, go ahead. G of
So a closed circle on -3, -4.
G of 3 a closed circle on -3, -4, oh sorry. -3, -4. -3, -4 is a closed circle, correct? Okay. Sorry. Yeah. And then extending to -3. Okay. G of x is equal to a 2. Oh, that's interesting.
Could you put like an open circle there?
Open circle at 2, right? It was 2, right? I don't remember the value.
Yeah.
2, correct. Okay, and then now what happens? G is a constant on -3 to 4. -3 to 4. -3 to 4, it's a constant. Okay. Can I do this?
Yeah.
Okay. 4 minus, right, okay, 4 minus left limit. That is greater than 4 plus. 4 minus is, let me put a dot here, okay. 4 minus is greater than 4 plus. 4 minus is greater than 4 plus. Can I do this?
Yeah.
G, okay, I made a mistake. G is decreasing on x greater than 4. Can I do this?
Just draw it down. Yeah.
That's it. Easy, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
But your answers may definitely differ, guys. Don't worry about it, okay? But you know what? Left side I should have showed something out, I feel. Let's see, what is this number? Are we correct? I will just check, guys. Fifth one. Oh yeah, we are correct. Yeah, but I would do minus infinity to infinity. So the left side, what it said, G of -3 so -4. Okay. Oh, the function comes here. So I would do this. Did they talk about anything about -3? Let's see. Did they talk about anything about -3? -3. Oh yeah. Yeah. See, here I want to ask you this. Okay, this was the correct figure, right? Now, can I do this? Can I do this? Let me fully show you guys. Can I do that? Given these. G of -3 is a -4. Limit extending to -3, G of x equal to 2. Given this, right? Is it okay if I do that? I just want to know from you guys. Okay, you know what? I'm going to split this. Let me please put it in place. Oh my gosh, I can't do that. Cool. Okay, let me put this in place. Sorry, the constant is 2. Okay. Do you think we can do that? See, G of -3 is a -4. Limit extending to -3, G of x is equal to 2. Is that correct, guys? I have this, right? You think I can do this, or it should be like this? Which is correct, this or this? Why? It's given G of -3 is a -4. Limit extending to -3, Is it given? G of x equal to 2. Yeah, go ahead, guys. Which is correct? What does this mean? See, limit extending to minus
And
2
it
means, yeah,
goes both the left and right side go to 2.
exactly. So it has to be this is correct, this is incorrect. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a subtle difference I wanted to show you guys. Okay. Okay, now this is limits graphically, but I want to go show you some test prep questions. Where did I have it? Okay, wait, let me get that for you. Okay, how about this? Oh yeah. Do you remember the greatest integer functions? Do you remember the greatest integer function?
Could you put it on the board? I don't remember.
Okay, sure. Let's do this one. If this refers to greatest integer function, greatest integer, okay, that is less than or equal to x, then limit x tending to 0 minus 2 by greatest integer function of x will be equal to what? Try, guys. You're going to try. I'll help you, but I'll tell you what is greatest integer function before you try this, okay? This is like a multiple choice for calculus exam. You'll get one question 100% on this. Okay. See, you see, they have already defined it here. Greatest integer function. What does this denote is? It refers to the greatest integer that is less than or equal to x. Now suppose, yes. Now suppose if you have, let's say on a number line, if you have 0, 1, 2. Now, what is the greatest integer function of 1.5? 1.5 is here. Okay. What is the greatest integer function? This denotes the greatest integer that is less than or equal to x. So this is 1. 2.1, it's a 2, right? But it will differ when you go to the negative side. What is the greatest integer function of minus 1.2? What do you think? Minus 1.2 is here, right? Minus 1.2 is here. So this will denote what?
-1.
Negative 1, not negative. Yeah, it will denote negative 1. Uh, uh, does it, tell me, does it denote negative 1? Greatest integer that is less than or equal to, what it will denote? This one. You have to go to the left for.
It's -2, right? If it's less than or equal to.
So what is the answer to this?
-2.
Negative 2. Do you see? That's the difference here. Does it make sense? Because on a number line, the integer, the values decreases as you go to your left. The value increases as you go to your right. Here, we were talking about the less integer that's less than this value. So it was 1. You went to the left. For 1.5, you went to the left. Right? Here as well, 1.2 minus 1.2 is here. So you have to go to the left of the particular point, that is minus 2. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go ahead and try this problem out. I've given you clues. Now I can go ahead and give you more clues. Let's see. What is this? Minus 5.4, if I have, what will it go to? Minus 0.6 will go to what? What is the least integer, meaning integer that's less than this? You have to go to the left of the number line for negative numbers or positive numbers. So this will be a minus 6, this will be a minus 1. Does it make sense? Whereas if it's a positive 5.4, it will go to a 5. Clear, huh? Okay, with that, base thing, right? Can we solve this question? Greatest integer that is less than or equal to x, then limit extending to 0 minus. If it is 0 minus, the left limit of 0 means you can have anything like minus 0.6, minus 0.5, minus 0.2, anything you can have. So what happens there? What is the answer to this? A, B, C, D. You try, guys. Questions will be of this cadre when it comes to the calculus exam. You can shout out. Oh, you forgot, Shagvi? Shragvi, are you following? Guys, tell me the answer, guys. Advik and Dhoni, you were listening. Shri, are you there? See why?
Is
When you
it
come to
0?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. Is it 0? Why do you think it's 0, Dhoni?
Wait, is that like a 2, like limit 2 equal?
Yeah, let's try that. Let's try that. Let's put some values and see. See, left limit of 0. Left limit of 0 means can you put the x value as minus 0.2? If I have minus 0.2, what is the greatest integer function here? 2 divided by what is this value?
-1.
Negative 1. So this evaluates to minus 2. Make sense?
Yeah.
It'll come through. Okay. Let's go ahead. Okay, let me make it a little easier on you. Okay. How about 1 second. Okay. Limit extending to a negative 1 cos pi x. Try, guys. A pi b 1 c 0 d minus 1 e does not exist. You want to try? When it tends to minus 1, you can see when it is tending to minus 1, right? You have to consider both left limit as well as right limit. Okay, true. But then you can always substitute x equal to minus 1 and check it out. So that denotes what? Cos of minus pi. What is cos of minus pi? This was 0 on a unit circle, right? 0, 1. This one will be minus 1, 0. So what is it in here? Cos of minus pi is what? Minus 1. Does that make sense? Let's move on. Let's do more problems and see. How about this? This is a good one. This one I feel like you can do, but let me know if you can't. Big. Okay, see whether you can do this. Oh my gosh, why is it not pasting? Try this one. Are you able to see? Are you able to see, guys? You have to tell me whether you're able to see
Yeah,
or
I'm
not.
able to see it.
Okay, ln 9, ln 27, 3 ln 3, 3 plus ln 3 DNA. This one is based on the knowledge you already have for logarithms. F of x equal to ln 3x. See, 0 to 3. But if it is 3 to 4, if it is the right side limit for 3 to 4 is x ln 3. Given that, then limit x tending to 3 f of x is what? So you need to evaluate the right side limit and left side limit. Here it's a piecewise function. As a result, for the left limit, you should be using this function. For the right limit, you should be using this function. And at that point, only when these two are equal, you can say any of these values, whatever value is equal to. If they are not equal, then you go ahead and say DNE. It does not exist. Go ahead, guys. Let me know if I can do. If you're doing as well, let me know the answer, guys. You cannot keep quiet, please.
Can we use calculator in this one to evaluate the natural one?
Tell me, ma. Tell me, come again, Dhvani.
Wait, never mind. I looked
No,
at
no, you want me to do it on the board? I'll do it on the board.
No,
No
no,
problem.
I looked at it up. Yeah.
Okay, you got it? Okay, good. Okay, then go ahead. Otherwise, I'll do it on the board. But you have to let me know if you want me to do. So, what you got for the right limit, left limit, and then the answer, please. All that you need to send it to me. Left limit, right limit, and then what is the actual limit. Shravvi, you're not taking AB Calc next year, right?
No.
Okay. Did you get the answer for the left limit? Limit x tending to 3 minus. 3 minus means I'll have to substitute f of x. What to substitute? This is it, right? That's the piecewise function. Ln 3x. That means ln 9. Correct? That I can write it out as ln 3 square. 2 ln 3. Okay. Now I'm going to evaluate this is the left limit. Right limit. What happens to the right limit? Limit x tending to, if only I find the left and right limit, I'll be able to answer this question. 3 plus f of x equal to, 3 plus means I'll go to this function, x ln 3, which is 3 ln 3, which is what? 3 ln 3 is not 2 ln 3. So they both are not equal at all. As a result, this will be does not exist. Did you get it? Can I move on? Okay. Let's see. Now, this is a good one. Why don't you try this one? You are going to try this for me, okay? How about this? Try this one for me. Yeah, then let's analyze this function next. We'll analyze this function and see which of the following statements are true. Just do this as the first question. This is the second question. But for this one, say which is true. Which is or are true. This one, let's try this one. Limit x tending to 1 f of x equal to 3. B f of 1 equal to 1. C f of x is continuous for all x. Definitely it is not for all x. Clearly, because see, there is a hole in here and then it goes. D limit x tending to 1 f of x equal to f of 1. E none of the above. Which one is correct? These questions are very similar to the MCQs that you get. Okay, you can do 1 and 2. You're going to tell. If you want to shout it out, please feel free to. Go ahead. Are you able to do, or you want me to do? What do you want to do? First one, what is the answer, guys? Hey, what does it mean if you're so quiet? Shri, are you following? No video, why?
I'm there, yeah.
Is the first one 0?
First one is 0. Dhoni, did you get?
I finally understand it just now.
No, I'm so slow.
I'm still just now looking at it, so.
Yeah, but you were there for the left limit, right limit last week, right? So are you able to understand what's going on?
Barely, yeah, but I'm still trying to get a
Not
better
much.
understanding.
Did you forget our time of class? Okay, let's do. Yeah, that is 0. Dhoni, if you got a 0, fine. If you didn't get it, let me know. I'll go over it.
Could you go over?
Yes. Okay. This one, right? Let's see. See, limit extending to 1, correct? Okay. Limit extending to 1 means try to substitute 1 and c. Literally, this is ln 1 by 3 times 1. Ln 1 is 0. 0 by 3 you get, right? So,
Yeah.
technically, it's a 0. Coming to this one, right? Say which is or are true. See, the thing is, limit extending to 1 f of x. Extending to 1 means you have to consider the right limit and the left limit. Both are coming to 1. So, I can say that this is true. Any questions there? Any questions there?
Mm.
Okay. Limit extending to 1. Yeah, extending to 1 f of x is equal to a 3. Yeah, that's right? Mm-hmm. Are we right there? F of x is equal to a 3 or a 1? See, when x is tending to a 1, it is all coming here. What is the value here? 1, right? Not a 3. This is a 1, right? Not a 3. So this is incorrect, right? Then, am I with you? Dhwani, Advik, did you get it?
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
next one is f of 1. F of 1 is what? What is
3.
f of 1? 3. So this is not correct. F of x is continuous for all x? No, right? For f of 1. At 1 it's not continuous. Right? This is not correct. What is this?
limit, okay, left limit and right limit of 1. Left limit and right limit of 1 says limit x tending to 1 minus f of x is a 1. Limit x tending to 1 plus f of x is a 1. However, I can say, because of this, I can say limit x tending to 1. Left limit and right limit are one and the same. So, limit x tending to 1, f of x is equal to a 1, I can say this is correct. But then, f of 1 is not a 1, it's a 3. See, this is a 3, but this one evaluates to 1. So, this is not correct. Answer is none of the above. Did that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Doing more problems will really help, guys, here. Okay, now I want to do more problems. Wait. We did this. This is a good one. How about, can we have this graph? Let's see this graph. What is this? Yeah, this is a nice graph to have. Okay. For this graph, let's evaluate. Okay, this is the graph. Which of the statement is true for the domain 0 to x to 4? Let's try. For domain 0 is less than x is less than or equal to 4, what is true? Okay, that's the function given, right? One is limit x tending to 2 minus f of x exists. 2, limit x tending to 2 plus f of x exists. 3, limit x tending to 2 f of x exists. A is 1 only, B is 2 only, 3 is 1 and 2, correct. Okay, I should have written a C. Only D is 1 and 3 only. E is 1, 2 and 3. Which is correct, guys? Take your time. This time you try. Try, guys. What do you all think? What is the left limit of 2? What is the right limit of 2? Advik and Dhwani, you want to say? Shri, if you are following, definitely follow.
Left is 2,
Left is 2, right is?
also 2.
Yeah, I thought
Sorry,
thought the same
no.
thing.
Left,
With the y value, can you like label
yeah, you
the
want
y
me to label?
answers?
Okay,
Yeah.
let me label. This is 3, this is 2, let's say.
Okay, yeah. So the left is 3 and the right is 2.
Yep, left is 3, right is 2. This one?
Oh,
Then this
Does
one?
not exist.
Does not exist. So this is true, this does not exist. So the answer is 1 and 2 only. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Seems a little hard, right? But that will be fine. This will be fine actually. How about, what else can I do? Okay, how about this? Why don't we try this one? Yeah, why don't we try this graph? This graph is also cool. Okay, let's see this graph. Okay. What is going on? Okay. For this one, I really would like to know. This is a function, let's say. This is nice actually. Yeah, you guys can tell me, okay? Which is true? Which of the following is true? Okay, this is a nice one, okay? A. Limit x tending to a f of x equal to limit x tending to b f of x. Second one, limit extending to a f of x equal to 4. C, limit extending to b f of x equal to 4. D, limit extending to b f of x equal to 1. E, limit extending to a f of x does not exist. I'll wait, guys. I really want you to try. Let me know. Slowly go through and let me know. You can take your time. But try, guys. This is a nice review, right? We are done with one topic if we are able to get this going. Do you have it? Okay, let's find out one by one. What is the value of this? What is the value of this limit extending to a f of x? What is the value of that?
Miss Priya?
Yeah,
Oh no, okay, never mind. I got it, yeah.
yeah. A means, see, whenever you are going to find a limit tending to a value, you have to consider the left and the right limit. If they both are equal, then you can say the value. Otherwise, it does not exist. So here, limit extending to a, what is f of x? Guys, you can shout out. Advik, you know?
It's 4.
4. Limit extending to b.
4.
Left limit and right limit.
Undefined.
Yeah, because the left limit is going to 4, right limit is going to 1. Did you see, Dhwani? Dhwani? Are you with me? Dhwani? You're muted.
Yeah, oh, sorry. Which one are you asking?
No, you understood why this does not exist?
Yeah, I was on mute when I was
No worries.
saying that.
Shri, did you understand why, Shri?
Yeah, because it's
Yeah,
2 different ones.
it makes sense now.
Yeah. Then limit extending to a, this is correct. Limit extending to b, this is incorrect. Limit extending to b, f of x equal to 1, that is as well incorrect. Limit extending to a, f of x equal to 4 does not exist, is incorrect.
Wait,
The
Miss
answer,
Priya,
yeah, ma?
how is D wrong?
Why is D wrong? Because this limit, right? You have to consider x
Oh, wait,
tends to
never
b
mind.
minus.
I understand. It doesn't exist. I understand.
Okay. 1 minute. So, okay, let's go ahead with one more. So we drew functions that we discussed. Okay, let's see. I think we can do more. I don't want to go further. See, I'm not doing the sin x cos x problems. I know why I'm not doing. We'll do it next week. Oh, this is a good one. Let's see this one. Yeah, this is a good one. Try this.
This Greek yogurt's so good. Yeah, sorry.
Oh, yes.
Huh?
Yes, it's very good.
Even if it looks kind of.
Try this one, guys. Limit extending to a, x square minus 2ax plus x square by x minus a. This is an easy one. Try, guys. What else is there in this?
I found cheese.
Go ahead. There are two problems, okay? After doing this, we'll log off. Let's see. 1 and 2. This is 1. This is 2. Shall we try? 1 involves knowledge of the previous algebra 1, algebra 2. 2 again involves that, but it's very similar to the problem we did a few minutes back.
Miss Priya, submitted my answer.
Oh, you submitted your answers. Great. Oh wow. Shri, good job, Shri.
Thank you.
Bye, Shri. You can leave and have a nice summer, Shri. I'll send out the details, okay? But I am more inclined to go to A, B, but I'll keep you posted.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Priya.
Bye.
Have a good summer. You too.
You too. Bye-bye. Dhwani, the first one is correct. Second one is correct, ma. Advik, correct, Advik. Very nice job, Advik.
Wait, you said the second one, yeah?
We both are correct. So first one is incorrect, ma, Dhwani, because this is, when you think about it, x minus a the whole square by x minus a.
But isn't a minus a to 0, which makes it undefined?
This is x minus a, right, ma? Yeah, a minus a is, substitute a here, you'll get a 0, right, ma? Am I making sense,
But
Dhwani?
it's 0 in the denominator, so isn't that undefined?
No, it gets cancelled, right, Dhwani? See, this is of the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square, right, ma?
Yeah.
So you can write it down as x minus a the whole square divided by x minus a. So one x minus a gets cancelled, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
That's it. So it will be a 0 here. This will be not existing. Any questions? Yeah, we learned quite a bit. Yeah, it takes time. Okay. Then we have to analyze limits analytically. Then we have to go into asymptotes. Then continuity. We end with the squeeze theorem. Okay. Any questions? Okay. We'll start the summer classes on June 8th will be the first day of class. I'll send all the details, okay? Any questions for me? Please update me once you get your AP pre-calc results. Okay? Any other questions? And Advik, I'm going to be in touch with you for geometry.
Okay, thank you.
Okay? Any other questions for me? Otherwise, feel free to ping me, okay? Okay. Any other thing that you wanted to discuss, Dhwani or Shagvi? Shagvi, I'll talk to your mom.
Okay.
Any questions? No, nothing. And then have a nice summer. Safe travels to you all if you're traveling. Okay? We'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Huh?